Hello, hello. Welcome back to one of my videos. Or if this is your first time, hi. My name is Sumayyah, aka Sumi, and I'm a mama first. I'm also a traditional midwife, and I am a mentor, facilitator, a coach. I also love to cook, I love to dance, and I love all things sustainable, natural, organic, just heartfelt things. I don't like light conversations, like what do they call that? Small talk. I like big talk. If it's whatever the opposite is of small talk, that's what I like. So today we're gonna have some big talk. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I love to hear from you. Like, I actually am gonna reply to you, so do not feel shy to let me know your thoughts after this video. Today we're gonna talk about nutrition. Nutrition is a topic that is really one of the pillars of midwifery, the midwifery model of care, something that I talk about with my clients extensively all the time. And it's something that I am always trying to learn more about. So today we're going to talk about a concept called pro-metabolic eating and lifestyle. If you've never heard this, don't worry. By the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly what I'm talking about. Metabolism, have you heard it before? Probably. People usually refer to it as, oh, you have a fast metabolism because you burn lots of fat very fast, right? You're a slim, skinny person. Or you have a slow metabolism because you have more fat on your body, right? However, metabolism is so much more complex than that. That's like really just missing the point, actually. Metabolism, the metabolic system, is our body's necessary energy that is required for it to function, right? Our body thrives off of energy. A pro-metabolic lifestyle is a lifestyle that is conducive to your body having not only enough fuel, so enough to convert into energy, but also have the efficiency and be effective in how it's using that fuel and energy, okay? This looks like not only what you eat. Nutrition is a holistic thing, to me at least. It is your stress level. It is the different signs that your body, the indicators, right? The signs that your body's communicating to you about what it needs. Nutrition is also your thoughts, your perspective, your approach. Nutrition is how you feel. And there are different indicators that can give us information about our body. Our body's constantly communicating to us, and our body has an innate ability to heal itself. And it's going to be conservative in some ways and overcompensate in other ways, depending on how we are showing up to our body's request. And that is the real full scope approach of what metabolism is and what does it mean to be pro-metabolic in the way that you live and the way that you eat. So in short, a pro-metabolic lifestyle is a lifestyle that optimizes your body's ability to use the fuel and convert it to energy to sustain your life. So some examples are this. Would it be pro-metabolic to stay up all night long scrolling on a phone? Nope, not get enough rest. Too much blue light. That's not pro-metabolic. Or is it pro-metabolic? Does it make sense, you think, to not eat until 2 p.m.? and just have stimulants only, black tea and coffee until 2 p.m.? Nope. Knocking off so many different clocks and not giving your body enough fuel. So in a pro-metabolic lifestyle approach, you optimally would be rising with the sun and getting ready for bed around the time the sun sets as well. You don't have to go to bed at 5:30, 6 p.m. in the wintertime, but maybe it's that you just don't have any more device light in your face. I call it device light, like just light that's emitted from our phones and tablets and TV and laptops, that you're supporting your body and having that natural response that the sun's gone down, so now let me settle and rest. So I'm getting enough rest. And that is so important because otherwise your body's running off of stress. And when we are running off of stress, our body therefore responds that it needs more fuel because it's less efficient. It's going to be eating up all of our energy reserves, aka minerals. You're probably like, whoa, Sumi, that was so dense, and you just went on a whole journey there. However, I'm really excited to break this all down. I'm excited to turn this into actual actions. What do you do in pro-metabolic lifestyle? To food, recipes, what do you eat in a pro-metabolic diet, right? And this is really, really important. If you want to be pregnant, if you are pregnant currently, and if you were pregnant, no matter how long ago it was, because pregnancy is one of the most disruptive processes to our metabolic system. Oh, I'm sorry, I know pregnancy is just so beautiful and magical. It is, but it's also, this is the reality of how much energy it takes to grow and sustain a life. It's a very big ask of the body. So I'm super excited to dive into more videos. So keep your, eye out for more videos, really going into this, breaking it down, making it very easy, very practical. If you have questions, post them down in the comment section below. And I cannot wait until the next video to just spend some more time with you. All right, y'all, have a good one. Peace.